Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Wildgrain. Wildgrain is a subscription that delivers baked from frozen sourdough breads, fresh pastas, and artisan pastries. All products can be baked within 25 minutes. There's no thawing required, and they are made with clean ingredients. This costs $89 a box. You do get free delivery, and you can reschedule, skip, or cancel at any time. I was very excited to try this out. So I'm going to show you what came in my box. The first thing I have is a 3-seed bread. I already baked and prepared everything in this box, and I will show you footage of that as well and give you my feedback. Next up, we have sourdough bread. Some chocolate chip cookies, and these were giant. They were so good. Couple different pastas. Tamarelli, perhaps is how you say that. It's basically like spaghetti. This one is a sourdough harvest bread. There's all sorts of little fruits and different things in there. There's also some dry ice. That's how it was packed, so it stays frozen. So you just kind of leave that alone, let that dissipate, and then you could discard of it later. Also received some fettuccine. All the nutrition information and baking instructions are on top. A little card inside. And some croissants. So the first thing that we tried out were the cookies. I baked these for about 19 minutes. It did instruct that you put them on parchment paper, which I typically don't do for my cookies, but I wanted to make sure I follow the instructions. And here's how they turned out. These were so delicious. Perfect cookies. Next up, I did the croissants. So there were 4 of those. Just use the same parchment paper. Broke them apart and then put them on there. Baked those for 20 minutes. Gives you really good instructions on how long and what they should look like when you take them out. So once they reach a really dark brown golden color, they're ready. These were delicious, very flaky. Kids were fighting over these. Next up, we baked the breads. So we have a 3-seed bread. And typically I do not like seeded bread, but this was pretty good. And the baking instructions tell you to put it directly on the rack, so you don't put it on a pan or anything. This is what it looked like frozen, very seedy. I did put a sheet pan underneath it on the next rack. That way it would catch anything that fell. And then you do let it rest for like 20 minutes to finish cooking and to cool. And then you can slice it. Next up we have the harvest bread. It is a sourdough bread. There's lots of little fruit and different things in there, ginger, all sorts of stuff. And again, all the bread that they sent me, you put it just directly on the rack. This one I baked for 18 minutes, then let it cool for 20, I believe it was. And then the sourdough bread. And this, I love sourdough bread. I ended up making the kids some grilled cheese with that. Absolutely delicious. Everything I tried was really, really good. I made my sourdough bread really thick, but we made some awesome grilled cheese with that. And then for dinner, we made both the pastas, and I made like an Alfredo sauce with it. And I'm not sure I've ever had fresh pasta. You can definitely tell it was handmade. It's not made in mass quantities in a factory like the dried stuff that you buy at the store. It was very good. So they say to put it in frozen and then to kind of mix it around, help break it up so it's not stuck together. You can see there's very, very thick fettuccine noodles. Then I drained that, and since the water was already there and boiling, I went ahead and made the other pasta, which is basically like a spaghetti noodle. And I like that their packaging is all like really low profile. Everything fit in my freezer really well. It didn't take up too much room. And I made some Alfredo sauce, like I said, and that's how we ate it. Very, very good. If you guys are interested, I do have a discount code, Mama Mittens. For the first 50 people, you get $30 off and free croissants. And after September 1st, that coupon code is only good for $10 off, so it switches over. But I will make sure I put all the information in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.